Obana was a man of cover first. There be to say.
Nyamiado.
Bibi Ashe. Okay, your comment on. Mentor, which edition now, Koeno?
Mentor 2020.
2020. And what happened?
We just got to the finals.
Who call finals?
And that's right.
Okay. And who did you say?
Fifth.
Okay. The fifth, then no worry. But we are there because with all the 16 regions, no team made the fifth. I think say why are there? So you also singing.
Yes.
It's your channel. Obama enyum. Great. Bibi kakra ben na obeye ami ehu se Debbie netia na mpa ansa na edi ochina ho nkomo.
Okay. Just like the sun lights up the earth, light of my life, the only one I've ever seen with a smile so bright. Just yesterday, you came around my way, changed my whole scene, with your astonishing beauty. You couldn't make a sister see ordinary thing, a supernatural being. Hello, give me brighter than the moon and brighter than the sun. I love you just the way you are. And you are my African king.
Sing it.
Yeah. The boy of my dreams. Yeah. See me brighter than the moon. And that is an African beauty. Yeah.
Wow. So that's your own rendition of African Queen by Two-Face Idibia. Great. Ochina way now to be my end. Why should people come tomorrow? Because of you?
Not just because of me, but it's comedians and musicians coming together. We are in a month of love.
Yes.
So we just fusing comedies with music just to, put some smiles on the faces of others. Like you said, Valentine happened on a weekday.
Yes.
So some of us that go to work, we couldn't have the opportunity to, enjoy the Vows Day. So this is an opportunity to come and then release some stress, have fun, laugh, and then who knows, for the singles, maybe that's where you could find some love.
Are you still single?
Yes, I'm single.
Okay, then I think I can connect you. Joe Kuntani,
senior
champion at saying, "Una didn't call for Abrabo and then call for a dia grossano." Joe Kuntani,
senior.
Shall we be you? Go for a month for your home mafia.
Senior Ben.
Joe Kuntani,
Numero uno.
Nice one.
Minyanye. Tony best.
SD and Yabrantia or rough say grab you be down. Joe Kuntani,
senior.
Bibi Ashe ye there. Best all started Bibi Kakrani who watch na because your team who kakra bi wa
14th for the day.
Ne Wednesday. Wednesday, yes.
I said Vast Day Chibia to me say and some year day.
ACC especially.
And now okay baby you see February a month of day.
Love.
Only say November a month of delivery.
I said ever been.
Enti new Valentine for no moi say ene yebedi Valentine yebedi sa no monka hu se suppose no to fail you Lydia so fail you na man's time ene labor ward na obetina obeti chim unya bronia obeti push afe wa ye mama ona wote ho no akwada no fo ano obeti nga afe wo befre nansu wanya no Valentine wan susu ani ene wone yehiamo nyame ya adoma umetie resource no wo Longford Royal Center Love and Last Comedy bibia be ye fine atopamen na Tony best show si na metin no chamai mento azo ana
Echina. Eti ochuna Kumasi manyina onzo bi ade na share Longford. I didn't know also mobile. I didn't know also be in chair 120 cities and as a 200 350 for VIP nomra.
Tony Best on say adwendwen we we don't pay. And a pressure so eti umoja so. Na
a typical example na Nabila.
Oh, Nabila.
Ni moja asonte. No.
But Obana Osre Otaba comedy shows no Osre and Henny nyina befu.
Sa ni
Henny nyina befu.
If you want
nyina befu.
Okay.
Serious. Eti
na bila ba ho befu.
Opa omra he. Mene ne to nchia wo show yi so. So opa omra na nipa 10 na be comedy no. On try so obesity bia.
Okay.
By the next week, omrana ni hanefu.
Wow. Enya dro.
I
see.
Enya dro kra. Me na make catch no. Yanto aso ana.
It's Ochina, how many songs now be performing and
Nyambo Ochina songs no. So him say songs ne de yenhye dan twere. Because me bana fa pen na bubu no.
Okay. Ozo odin se mu no.
Nti pen na ankasa me de twa no bubu no. Enti nyame ya adom ochena no. Ye hwe wanim na se bia do obi ge ba ya waso be ye hye.
Wow.
Se Valentine so ankoyi ama on ye hwe wanim na se onim omobo a ye be kan kire wo.
The last time I met by Ejimo, there was this man sitting in front of stage, you know. Na say lady be on the nam there.
Uhwemu.
Uhwemu I say because bet me in the back but
nam pese make on but that's
uhu ya na ya ne ba
Dr. Kwaku.
Oh, was that Dr. Kwaku?
Yes, no African print.
Sa but not to be a meeting anymore na. Yeah, friend go stage. Na ne ba okay because say anya ne ba dia ene ka ba yire ba. I don't know na joke nta ni kai. Say try no be him.
No correct. Until you stress obia. Baby obia try say obeba Longford Royal Center.
Okay.
Na beji wani keke.
Ye meti adwendwen ne so.
Bete so.
All right.
Aden die nko.
All right. So the next guy, my brother to say
Bosu me hoyo.
Insebre. Is that your real name?
Yeah, from Insebre Gerald.
Okay, that's a nice name. My confused kakra.
First name Nede.
First name Nede.
So obre.
Yen twaso me pacho.
Oh, you're a comedian.
Me pacho.
Great. Just 1 minute. If I saw you be kitu be near Insebre so.
Me ye bibi.
We got credit.
O de Mumbra show no.
No, but just 1 minute.
Say me Jimmy.
So open inside there.
Well, put me on the spot.
Yes.
There is this girl when him say Kumasi for this is not to say that Kumasi for on table for, but as I almost force it. So what I say, I met this girl. Let's hook up. Me smoke of hook up maybe what I say, and I'm doing a coffee. This girl on table for what I say, and Mami Busao, Tony, Mr. Say Obinu no obi I can't bro for saying.
Obinu no obi. Hey, Momo man, I mean.
Obi am one pacho.
China me can wow. Is I'm a bro for in article.
Good tickle simple English for someone who say what I say.
Okay.
Yeah, me nigga on said them yeah try say be dia go me say me no girl no say hey and like me nana. Tony what I say?
Tickle na ko dani
and like me say o sha ma edin o say abra leke na make na o e wan me fie do obi like ni yonku.
Wow.
So what you say tickle na dey.
I see. Eti Ochina Obejina stage for how many minutes?
For about 7 to 10 minutes, I know.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. But what do you think? Na yenua ika say nkofo bebre betumi aba vivi nana bilakra to me ba na pampam befu. Comedy na gaza den na yema nipa.
Okay, so you know the importance of comedy.
Ye nim tina me bisa on.
Yeah, obvious. Comedy idea yema nkofo esere. So what I say any nim serious so mfa so. O share boa wan kasa oni pedua no health wise. What I say adwendwen bi da so ni adade. Enye nsan kwan na yedi adwendwen.
Okay.
So what I say nsan bitima yi but Syria nso betima eden
year free.
na Syria effect no lasting.
Okay.
So what I say, so that's why we are doing this thing. Say a betting of adrenaline so or show no anodin. So what I say,
Okay.
among people are going through a lot, and if this is the month of love, this is something we do. Yeah, Kumasi Comedy Show.
Okay.
We do a lot of shows, comedy shows, and month of love. You see the baby. Fans and I said the Kumasi people.
All right.
So
Atupa, give us the location and the prices. So China Nyame Adom na obi ba ehin na oba long for Royal Center na wo hen and a sika sen also the bar.
Tony, Sikan the single year 120.
Okay, now just on corner
which we want
now
to
go bad.
Yes, and tia person discouraging thing man on the boy heading.
Okay.
Into muye mienu dia ne ate so dia mam 200 no say before this and we are dropping in and out.
Great.
Oh. Na fe mumienu mo banenso no obi o no ma obedi banku fi asa no obi o nso be ba be pay bibi o VIP for no.
Okay.
No abi ya 7 no near 350.
Okay.
350 na obenya for couple
okay.
And ubenya bibi from Halame bitters.
Hey, Halame bitters.
Unzo uni obi ko chef dem ye bibi na adechi na okono ga bra.
Halame.
Anache say.
Shouts to Otis Fortis.
Otis, yes. Modern boy eso any inti Halame bitters be ma package. Ana Ozon's chemist nso we adro be friend Miroda. E mema na omo embote wo dem no. Mo ayemre onche onyehwe no nso ebe ma Miroda no nso be so mu. Ana ye be ma chocolate from Adansi chocolate.
Okay.
And also branded with our logo. And no near some singles near mama condom and the Pocept nso free ozone chemist on after sex no na mom pesa mo benyima no ma no no and nso our phone nso benya bi then ye be mama packages from Elite Parks near mama wine and something small to chop.
Great.
Inti no ye VIP no ana ekwan nso menya ira kwan udu Star Junction na odi cotton na ntwam e wo bebia
Christian service kwan no so.
Christian service kwan na cotton sa na Tony some medical bobo mo e boy by sponsors.
Yes, abobo mo di.
Inti da ye do massive for holding us down.
Time ben
yes 7. Yes, the time yes 7. And then you maybe not the obo stage no. A stage now we must start set up. Ochina and a backdrop at the abo stage nechi, which will be like 7 by 10 o'clock near we no. Ochina you by 5 near saw air conditioner what demo by 6 almost beji tickets any ashes agent anymore air trains almost be asha amount for in by 7 na first performer by 5 na my neutral startable by 7 first performer ever start up performing until we are not wasting time light camera bibia ye no and then you set up ni now
right. So okay, go to Pada. Say thank you. So
be a particular so on frame open turn online as code near star 928 star 528 hash. But open say find another way near the brewer. I'll bet me frame on 0244 997757
0244 997757.
And I say so be our product be now feel say open say the banner showcasing on the night hour. It's still not too late. You can call me on the same number 0244 997757.
Okay, so Debbie, and then I'll be kind of finally na because I also got rested for tomorrow. Then I'll catch up to Omomutie.
See, the mechanic say just relax if you are preparing to come for tomorrow's show.
No, China Tikwana.
Me change okay. See, beba Patricia no relax it because tomorrow is going to be massive. So if you have any just relax. When you come tomorrow, you feel relieved and
okay. All right. In Sebre,
boss.
Then I'll be catch
Okay, me demeka me pese me da Kumasi for nyina like
Omunya my na odo
yeah, Oma hold it down. Oma hold Kumasi comedy
for
down.
the previous shows. Yes.
There haven't been a show since me started comedy. They mean who say I show be ama I flop.
Okay.
Because omu show up, omu ba. So what I say.
Great.
And see, I just want to thank them. Na me person me bobo omu that show ne. So I say yanka omu ba be comedy.
Yeah. The comedians come in.
Yeah.
Yes.
We have Clemento Suarez, Uncle Clement. We have General Intatia, Felicia. And so
Felicia will say,
the ship dealer himself.
Hey, Oliver Khan. What is the first time Oko stage? Kumasi. Okay.
We are last one. We are consultancy one-on-one. Only be doing come how be a.
And then somebody can be.
What I say, you if you are Schwarzenegger. You if you Barcelona, if you Schwarzenegger, NC ho me pacho.
Schwarzenegger was supposed to MC.
NC ho me pacho.
Okay.
Unsa your friend Valentina. And Nanka was on the MC show about US no.
Yeah.
Obenya flight they be do like no say be
okay.
Okay. And if you Barcelona will be on in Sebre Gerald me ankasa me so will be Yewofa Dan Latte Atopa
Senior man
will be and Jumo Ebenezer Jumo and Mr. Carter.
All right.
Yeah, and I can the comic Pulpit, Jefta, Koku 40, Joe Kuntani, a whole lot. And I hope
but Joe Kuntani be wrap up my with what do you know? What I say? It's wrap up.
Ma me shana wa wura danim. Ma we mi chingoro ni bi. Okwa kwa wa kububu. Oko prawo. Enko. Nansu nyame ya adoma ochina bra. Nyame ya adoma ochina bra. Longford Royal Center. Ekwan no me say enya yira kwan bra besere bra beji wani bra betete wadwendwen so minua onya dru star junction ya ekwan no ye wanim tintin so nti kote ekwan ne da wani mpe enhwe bokuma na nifa ekwan ne da wani mo kote bomodin star junction wa enhwe bokuma na nifa ekwan ne da wani tintin so nti bra Longford Royal Center
Comedy Show. By popular request, eHub, in collaboration with Longford Royal Center, presents the biggest night of comedy and music this Valentine. It's the Love and Laughs edition of the Kumasi Comedy Show. Clemento Suarez.
You guys is for us. Like Ghana economy.
General Intatia.
Mama, you.
Atopa, Ebenezer Jumo, Felicia Osei, Don Lottie, Mr. Carter, Efia Barcelona, Ken the Comic,
In Sebre, Alejandro, Kweku 40, Jefta Opoku, and Kweku Pulpit.
Special appearance for the first time on any stage in Kumasi, Oliver Khan.
I'm serious.
Music by Debbie Light, It's Derek, and Joe Kutani.
Saturday, 17th February, 7 p.m. Longford Royal Center at Odino Honkwadas near Maria Montessori School. Tickets
120 Ghana cedis regular, 200 couple, 350 cedis VIP.
Tickets available at Opoku Trading Supermarket Edum, Continental Supermarket Eyiduase, ABC Mart Patase, Longford Royal Center Odino Honkwadas. Or dial *928*528# for your online tickets.
For table reservations, call 0244 997 757. Sponsors: Oson's Chemist,
Hala Me Bitters,
Adansi Sweet Chocolate,
Longford Hotel,
Elsie's Travel and Tour,
and Festive Delight Catering Service.
Come laugh, sing, and dance. It's Kumasi Comedy Show. You go love, sir.
Walk into